Welcome back to Learn with Gravity. Today, I'm really excited to introduce you to a powerful tool from Google called Notebook LM. If you're a student, researcher, or someone who needs to manage information effectively, this is going to be a game changer for you. Notebook LM allows you to create notes, study guides, and much more all in one place. So let's dive right in and explore what this tool can do for you. To start, head over to Google and search for Notebook LM. Once you've found it, click the Try Notebook LM button, and you'll be directed to a page where you can create your first notebook. Now, here's where things get exciting. Notebook LM lets you upload a variety of file types. You can choose Google Docs, Google Slides, links from websites, YouTube videos, or you can even paste copied text directly into the notebook. For today's demo, I'm going to upload a PDF from my computer to show you how it works. Once the file is uploaded, you're greeted with a super intuitive interface. The first thing you'll notice is that Notebook LM automatically generates a summary of your PDF. This saves you time by giving you a quick snapshot of the document, but that's just the tip of the iceberg. On the left-hand side, you'll see a section called the Notebook Guide. This is where all the magic happens. You'll find several options here like help me create FAQ, study guide, table of contents, timeline, and even suggested questions based on the content of your document. Let's take a deeper look at some of these features. For example, if I click on study guide, within just a few seconds, Notebook LM will create a detailed study guide for you. This study guide includes everything you need to prepare for an exam, important questions, essay prompts, key terms, and more. It's like having your own personal study assistant. If you need a structured overview of your document, simply click on Table of Contents. In seconds, Notebook LM will generate a well-organized table with chapter titles and corresponding page numbers. This is perfect for navigating through longer documents quickly and efficiently. Now, let me show you something even more powerful. If you select two notes and click Create Study Guide, Notebook LM will combine both notes and generate a new guide summarizing the most important information. This includes essential questions, key terms, and glossary items, making it especially helpful if you're trying to combine information from multiple sources. And here's a cool trick. If you want multiple choice review questions, just type Create Multiple Choice Review Questions into the text box. Within seconds, you'll have a list of review questions that you can use to test your knowledge. These are perfect for exam prep, whether you're studying alone or in a group. The feature is super fast, and it's an excellent way to reinforce what you've learned. What's also great about Notebook LM is the ability to add your own notes. Whether you're preparing for a project or just jotting down ideas, you can organize everything in one place. You'll also see key topics automatically highlighted from your PDF on the left side of the interface, helping you focus on the most important content. Now, let's switch gears to something fun and really innovative audio overview. With this feature, you can create a podcast-style summary of your document. Just click Generate, and within a few minutes, you'll have an audio file where two hosts discuss the chapters and topics in your notes. This is incredibly useful for auditory learners or when you want to review your material on the go. You can listen while you're commuting, exercising, or even just relaxing. While Notebook LM generates the audio, you can explore other advanced features. For instance, if you select any of the notes, you'll see options like Summarize, Create Outline, and Suggest Related Ideas. Let's say I choose Create Outline. Within seconds, it generates a clean, structured outline of my notes. This is perfect for presentations, reports, or just organizing your thoughts before diving into a big project. Speaking of creating content, here's another fun feature. Notebook LM can generate AI-powered podcasts. All you need to do is paste a script, and Notebook LM will produce a realistic audio version of your podcast.
Welcome back, everyone. For today's deep dive, we're going to be getting into some physics.
Nice.
Yeah, it's going to be fun. We're going to be looking at measurement units, errors, and vectors.
Okay.
And all of this is thanks to you, the listeners, because you send in these awesome excerpts and diagrams from tailm360.com.
Oh, cool. So we're going right to the source, a physics textbook. I like it. We're really going to get into how physicists think about the world. And you know, what's really interesting is that these fundamental concepts that we often think of as being kind of, physicsy and complicated.
Right.
This is a fantastic way to share information, whether you're working on a group project or creating content for a blog or YouTube channel. Notebook LM offers an incredibly versatile and powerful platform for managing, organizing, and even enhancing your study material. Whether you're looking to create study guides, ask questions, or generate audio summaries, this tool has you covered. I highly recommend you give it a try. So that's a wrap on today's demo of Notebook LM. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Learn with Gravity for more awesome tools and tips to enhance your learning. Let me know in the comments how you plan to use Notebook LM. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and keep learning.